Hadin bak sarkar jala kalala ban pen kenria yaki basong di jingde harut surak bat lentia jat lani ki hawkers ha Khyndailad jaka jaka kabal pen kre na kabanta jongki ha parking lot ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority muda ha ka arpo khandai tere naitung araja arpusan kala dan ka jialang ha padeng sembut menteri rangba ka jala uba sniaw balang dhar ubdei ru menteri wakmi ekatanat urban affairs bat uba pol lingdo menteri wakmi ekatanat tourism ban yam merging mod ha ka be daipat bat ka ei ka bak sarkar kan le nang ne jakmat ha ka tei ka benta. Habakran sekilat pathai kubor hadien ke jingyalang uba pol lingdo ulaong. Baya ka Khyndailad menta an pen kelalong no kum ke jaka yat kejat kipat ba nadu kapor hinyo beje men step hadu kapor Khandai beje janmiet dak ba pen pa ban ayat kali tangi ki basong basa ha kate ke jaka bat kum ju uru ye ki balit bu lani shaw skol lingba dakipas. Ulaong ru ba an sedang no bantai ya Kumba khat santli ki jaka litbar ke jaka ai umdi Nailar ke jingpen biang ya ka boarding na ka benta ki hawkers ke ban sedang no mardor ha ka krum jong ka muda kompleks. Nailar kata ula pentep ru bah ka Tarik Nailar arja arpusan an Siew ya ka Lutksan sya ki hawkers kumbala Kular da ka sarkar kata sipo hajar tingka sya manla ki hawkers.
We are extremely happy that the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya has expressed its total satisfaction over the manner in which the state government has gone ahead in relocating vendors in a manner that is done very professionally and making sure that there is now sufficient space for all road users and especially pedestrians to move in and around the city's busiest commercial area. So this morning I also had a discussion with our Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Urban Affairs, and officers of the Shillong Municipal Board led by its CEO, Mr. Boro. So I would like to now spell out a plan of action. One is this should come to your attention that elsewhere in the country, wherever hawkers have been relocated, they have only been given a space. However, in the case of the relocation here in Shillong, which was carried out recently, we have also provided them with amenities like proper lighting. We are also we have sanctioned work which will start immediately for 15 washrooms close to this will be on the basement of the Muda complex, and also drinking water facilities. That apart, the state government has also decided to go ahead with the planned pedestrianization of Kandila. In this regard, we have tasked the municipal board with the responsibility of collecting details of residents of that particular stretch so that we will be in a position to issue them passes for their cars. And that will be only for residents of that area. It will not be for residents, say, who are from outside of Kandila but having business enterprise in that area. Again, more importantly, we have also decided that the pedestrianization will be carried out immediately, and the timing will be 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., where there will be no movement of vehicles at all, except where passes will be issued, and these passes will be mainly to facilitate dropping of school kids during school days. There will be major refurbishment of the entire stretch, including welcome signage, including improvement and addition of tiles wherever they have not been installed in the past. So there will be a proper facelift given to Kandila.
And when this will start?
It will. You will see within the next 2 weeks. You will see.
No, the issue is why should breakable tiles should be put if you allow?
We will replace them. What is the harm?
It will be a motorable proper road.
We have our objective is to project Khyndailad as a hub and an entry point to the state capital, and also since we have branded Shillong as India's music capital, that will also be reflected in the signage, and there will also be evenings where musicians will entertain visitors and pedestrians using that particular stretch of the road. No, we have just asked the department through the SMB to project their requirement, and this will then be shared with you. However, on holidays, there will be absolutely no movement of vehicles in the pedestrianized area except on emergency basis. And say unforeseen incidents like fire incidents and of incidents of that nature, medical emergencies. So again, I repeat that the timing of the pedestrianized zone will be 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day, where there will be no movement of vehicles from the stretch that leads to the entrance of Kandila up to Umsopsul, up to the access to Umsopsul. So this is briefly what we have discussed. Also on the 5th of July, the Deputy CM, 5th of August, on the 5th of August, the Deputy CM and myself will personally hand over checks as promised to all the vendors, which is a sum of 10,000 rupees per vendor. We have to first venture with Khyndailad being the busiest commercial center of the state. So now that we have been successful in Khyndailad, we will replicate the success stories elsewhere, including areas like Umkhra, Civil Point, Civil Hospital Point, and other heavily congested civilian areas.
And when this next phase will start?
You will see. You will see action. It is just a matter of a few days because we would like to properly segregate between residents and non-residents of Kandila. So you have been patient for more than 2 years. So now let's be patient for 2 weeks more. There will be major refurbishment of the entire stretch, including welcome signage, including improvement and addition of tiles wherever they have not been installed in the past. So there will be a proper facelift given to Kandila.
And when this will start?
It will. You will see within the next 2 weeks. You will see.
No, the issue is why should breakable tiles should be put if you allow?
We will replace them. What is the harm?
It will be a motorable proper road.
We have our objective is to project Khyndailad as a hub and an entry point to the state capital, and also since we have branded Shillong as India's music capital, that will also be reflected in the signage. And there will also be evenings where musicians will entertain visitors and pedestrians using that particular stretch of the road.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam mengibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai Khyndailad bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.